front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Click on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current screen lock. Then tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!